Tingnan mo, ang quiet, diba? Ganda guys, ang ganda. Sinabi ko masarap. Oo. Ilan ng strawberry na kain niya today? 7 na.
Tiring but fun.
Oo, masaya. I love it. Good morning, Osaka. This is my outfit. So, ayusin ko na yung hair ko in a bit. 8 o'clock ang call time namin. So, meron pa ako time to do breakfast. And yes, kailangan ko gawin yung breakfast because I want to show you guys what we will be having for breakfast. So, this is my outfit. It's all Taobao. Pati yung pants ko niyan, Taobao rin yan. O, diba? So, we're going to go Kyoto kasi, and I believe na medyo cute tong outfit ko for Kyoto. Diba? I was supposedly thinking na dapat mayroong gym dito guys sa Japan. Pero parang iniisip ko, oh no, parang wala masyadong gym dito. Patay ako guys. Paano ako mag-exercise? Naku, ang tagal ko na hindi nakapag-weights. Kailangan ko mag-weights guys. Baka mamaya pagdating sa Manila, hindi ko nakakayanin. Mamaya ano nangyari? Okay na magbuko, diba? Taray. Yun siya. And we're gonna go get breakfast. Look at all the foods. We have curry. Tapos meron kang sukiyaki or gyudon. You have spaghetti. And you have all of those sausages. You have all of these different salads pa. Tapos may ham. And then marami ka rin different soup. Let's say miso soup. And then ito lahat ng trays mo. Chopsticks. Oh my gosh, look at these chopsticks. Isn't it so cute? Disposable yan! You have pasta. Alam mo naman, Japanese knows how to do their pasta. Coffee. Jams. And then you have your breads here as well. Then may fruit ka rin. Oh my gosh, may lychee. And so much more. Ah, oh, may dessert. And drinks if ever you want. Lahat unlimited like Calbis. Okay, let's eat breakfast. So I got croissants and some konting mga food and coffee. So it's almost 7:30. I will have mga 20 minutes to eat. Let's do this. Must try that in buffet. I'm gonna eat in peace. Sarap. Approve ako sa buffet niya. Sarap. The breakfast was really good as in sobrang sarap niya. For me, if you have the chance to stay here, ang sarap ng breakfast. I'm not a breakfast person. I mean, kung nandiyan siya kakainin ko. And I'm pleasantly surprised. As in, worth every calorie. Kunin ko yung gamit ko and afterwards, Cora Bells. Kasi we only have 20 minutes, 10 minutes. Kaya ko yan, abot na ako. Guys, ito na. This is our bus. First day of our bus. Ipa-pick up tayo here sa Candeo. O, diba? So, pasok na tayo. Ito siya. Hindi pwede pa pumasok. Then you have to take off your shoes. And hindi pwedeng dala mo yung shoes mo. So guys, ito yung kwan in where you will pray for your eyesight. So, ang reco niya is you throw in or you donate like 5 yen. Ito yung coin na may butas. And then 90-degree yung pag-pray mo dito. O, diba? So, super sakto. I offered a little prayer for my mom. O, diba? Kinda very serendipitous. Kaya parang sabi ko, nakakatuwa itong buta namin. I like it. Ito yung ibang garden sa loob. Ang ganda, oh. Tingnan mo naman, guys. Ganda sobra. Dami. Meron pa dito. Other side. So there's so many temple that you can do. Oh my gosh. Like lakad. Lakad ka lang ng lakad here. So we're done with all of these, at least. Kasi ang ganda ng garden nila, oh. Ganda, look. Ang ganda talaga. Very peaceful and serene. And I think ang ganda ng timing na napuntahan namin dito. Walang tao, parang kami lang to. Pero hindi namin to pinareserve, ha? Hindi nila pinareserve to. You can buy this off of, this is called the Instagrammable tour. So in fairness, Instagrammable talaga siya. Daming spots na pwede mong Instagram take your photo, pang profile picture mo or whatever. Guys, ganda. Iikot na lang tayo sa iba pang places and areas. And iikot na lang ako pababa sa other area. So, later meron naman ibang pababa pa. And if you're going to look in front, ito parang yung kanina dun kami galing. Diyan. So now, parang paikot ka na lang ng pababa sa lahat. Cute, diba? Ganda. Personally guys, I super love Kyoto. If you want to go sightseeing on all of these places, malapit rin to sa Arashiyama. So, for me, if you're going to go to Osaka, or what naman kayo, lagi yung titingnan Kyoto, ang ganda. I super love all of the details here. Tingnan mo, ang quiet, diba? Guys, ayun o, kanina dyan na kami nag-drive. Now, nandito na ako. This is the Yanagidani Canon. So, it's really a temple for those who are suffering from eyesight or eye diseases. Dito daw sila nagpa-pray. Kakaiba talaga. I've been to Kyoto twice. I've never been here. Ang ganda. Worth a visit talaga. Quiet, serene. Ang dami yung po pwedeng picturean. Go! Not only that, ang alam ko, this was also the temple na Kiyomizu-dera Temple. Ito oh. Siya rin nag-found. The priest who founded this Kiyomizu-dera Temple. And not only that, naging capital daw tong area na to. Way back before naging capital ang Kyoto. Diba? May history siyang ganon. Diba? Ang ganda. See? Oh, diba? Ganda. Love it. Going to Arashiyama na. 1 hour daw from here, guys. Ito na. Bahala na kung ano, may 11 sites sinend si ate. Kanya-kanya talaga siya. So, syempre, pa-prioritize mo lang kung anong gusto mo. Yun lang yun. Period. Tapos, bahala ka na rin maghanap ng food na gusto mong kainin. Kung hindi ka kumain, gutom ka. Guys, ito na siya, lakad na lang kami. Kita natin yung mga train. Eh, sikat din ng souvenir shop. Blotting paper ang sikat dyan. At mirror. Yan. Ah, may cafe na sila. Pero dati blotting paper yan. Yung entrance sa forest. Gagawin na natin yan. Ito na. Magbabang po forest na kami. Inunahan na namin yung ibang tao kasi ito yung mas importante. At saka mamaya, dead man naman. Wala naman may pakialam sa'yo. Kahit pagkakain, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Yan na guys, ang ganda oh. At saka kasi, paminsan matagal yung iba mag-photos. Guys, Arashiyama. In fairness.
Arashiyama.
Parang mas maganda ngayon. Dati pumunta ako, hindi ganito kaganda pa to.
Why?
Parang mainit kasi nun, medyo hindi pa ganito kalamig. Ganda, oh, wow! Love it! Other sites, kasi tapos na tong Arashiyama, balik na kami guys. So here, take faster photos lang talaga. Guys, ito yung pwede ka magsulat ng wooden planks dyan. And then ito yung other requirements that you can send. O diba? Dyan pwede. Kamote chips, super love ko ang sweet potato nila dito. And maganda dyan kasi healthy carbs. If you're watching your weight, you have to eat kamote. Ito talaga kainin mo masarap. Oh, diba? Guys, itong isang temple that you have to go to is also Ten Temple. Guys, ito yung kimono forest. It's really just looking at these types of fabric, ganyan.
Oh, yeah.
Diba? Sarap! Oh my God! Perfect timing kami guys. Takbo, kain pag mainit na. Guys, ko tayo ng matcha. Arigato gozaimasu! I love matcha. Siyempre gusto natin yung may mochi. Mas... Guys, so may azuki, mochi, cracker, and a spoon. Ang sarap! Grabe! Ang pait niya, guys. Bitter. Perfect sa mga bitter na tao tulad ko. Umakan mo.
Uy, matcha-matcha ako sarap. Uy! Ay, bibili ako.
Ayaw niyo maniwala. Pag sinabi ko masarap. Oo. Kailan ba ako nagloloko? Lagi. Mga walang hiya ito mga kasama ko kayo. Guys, ito na yung parang river na to. Oh, may picture pa ako dyan dati. Ito pa yung itsura nito. Guys, ito na yung parang waterfalls, at ito yung bridge. Ito yung parang sikat nila. So, doon is yung Arashiyama, yung forest. Ito naman will be yung papunta doon sa bridge. Ang ganda, diba guys? Oh. So yes, I've been here before. Parang 2019 yan. Kaya meron ako rin-replicate ng mga shots din. Guys, ayun na, malapit na tayo. After you cross the bridge, yun yung mga temples na dapat meron dito yan. And later guys, bago kayo umalis, dapat may basurahan din. O, diba? Malapit na mag 2:40. We have around 20 more minutes. Bago mag 2:40, we have to be in the parking lot na. So, mabilis ang picture muna nitong temple. Then we're good. We're good. Again, the river's here, the other side of the river. Listen to the waterfalls. So calming. And pabalik na kami. So we had around 2 hours and 15 minutes here. Next stop will be the last temple, which is Kyuminuzudero Temple. O, diba? Memorize ko yan, guys. Guys, medyo masikip talaga dito. So talagang walk inside the white line. Kasi guys, kotse na talaga yung mga yan. Guys, this is it. Ito na yun. Akyat. 400 yung entrance fee niyan, guys. Hindi included. So if you really wanna go inside the temple. But if you don't want, pwede namang wala. So hahanapin namin yung napakasikat na Kyoto na pagoda. Wala siya dito. I'm sure pababa yun, guys. Kung hindi namin mahanap, wala siya sa video na to. Pag nahanap, nandito siya sa video na to. Pero alam ko kasi ito yung temple. Ayan, ito nga. See, yan yung temple. Na pumunta ako dati, guys. Sarado pa yan. Ngayon bukas yan. And 6 o'clock, close to. Alam ko yan. 6 PM close na to. 500 ang entrance fee. Hindi na siya 400. Hanapin namin yung Hokkanji Pagoda. Kasi alam ko nandito lang yan, pero nasa baba siya. Kailangan lang siya hanapin. And importante talaga yan because pag Kyoto, ang sinearch mo sa Google, yun yung unang lalabas. Tapos yun rin yung makikita mo na maraming food doon at saka mini stores. So we have 1 hour, hanapin namin yun. Nandito naman sila Chuck and Joe, kasama ko pa sila Joanna. So makikita natin yun. And naka-sunblock naman ako. Hindi pa balik, aakyat rin tayo eh. Tanghulo ka just mamaya, may tanghulo ka. Si Joanna eh. Charot.
Puro ka eh.
Okay lang, parehas naman tayo. Gusto ko yan. Mahanap natin to, bes.
Kailangan.
Kailangan siya
Hindi kami
mahanap.
uli ng Pinas.
Wow. Hindi daw uuwi. Sabi mo yan ah.
Hoy. Kanina pa siya, guys. Kanina pa to. Ito na. Ilan ang strawberry na kain niya today? 7 na. Charot. Pang 7 na to. Bahala ko pa mag-take out. It's perfect.
Nawala na yung picture namin sa temple. Napunta sa Hulu. 500 yen. 500, no? Pwede na. Cute. Ito, guys. May orange pa siya dyan. Oy. Nabudol ng tanghulo. O, diba? Nabutol na ng tanghulo rin tong dalawa. Apple. Ba't hindi ba siya nagtatanghulo ever? Oh my gosh! Joe! Ano?
Kakainis.
Plastic nito.
Yung totoo dapat
Totoo lang. Pawang katotohanan. Ayan, minuya mo na bago.
Matamis, ma-shrimp at the same time.
Malambot.
Malambot.
It melts in
So,
your mouth.
in a scale of 0 to 10,
I give it an 8.
Ay,
A must try.
First group to depart is Shinsai Bashi at 8.
So guys, ito siya. So itatag mo siya and then pwede mo siya kunin sa idediretso na yung luggage mo. So you book this with Klook. Merong mas mahal, tapos merong mas mura. It starts at 800 pesos yan. Done! Finally! In fairness, ang saya nito. So, Instagrammable sites siya. So now we're gonna have dinner sa Lawson. Kain na ako, guys. Hindi sabi nila, baka bigyan ako ng piso. So, oh,
Hindi ka pagkakamalan, hello.
girl, mali mo. Hindi mo siya masabi. Actually, madumi itong ginagawa ko. Huwag yung tularan. Yeah. Guys, Nagay Station. Ito yung station where you're going to hop in, hop off. Papunta sa Team Labs. Pabalik na. Kasama ang aming train pass doon sa Fun Pass. So, hindi ko ginamit kahapon. So, today, meron ako. And, nandito na yung dalawa. Pakabili na sila. Going home!
Finally!
Oh my God!
Finally!
After like 16.
Tiring but fun.
Oo, masaya. I love it! Hindi talaga beef. Hindi talaga. Hi! Arigato! I guess I got it. Guys, eto na. Finally, I'm gonna try it. Wala pa yung cheese. Saan yung cheese, girl?
Sa gitna.
Kanina pa ako umuya. Ano? Ano? Yun nga yun.
Lalo na doon, no? Dapat na.
Ano? Ito yung cheese. Well, I love it. Ang sarap ng cheese, in fairness. It's beside the main road yan. Guys, nandiyan na rin si Don Quixote. Pero nabusog ako doon sa 500 yen cheese coin. I think you can try it once and then that's it in your life.
Same pizza.
Hindi na siya kailangan i-try forever. Pero it's not naman that mahal kasi talagang mozzarella cheese naman talaga siya.
Hindi mo siya babalikan.
Pero parang...
You just have to try.
Correct. Guys, so tomorrow we're going to have our luggage transfer. So, meron to sa Klook. So, eto na siya. So, mag-change kami ng hotel. So, you'll just have to fill in your hotel name and then the luggage mo and then pick up time, pick up date, and then the transaction confirmation number from Klook. O, diba? Dalawang bag ko, itatag ko lang siya. So, tomorrow, itatag ko siya bag, iwanan ko siya sa lobby, and then that's it. Pagpunta ko dun sa next hotel, it will be with me. Again, ito yung itsura ng tags na to. Diba? It's called Airporter. Ang kinuha natin, you can book this with Klook. Hindi ako magiging hulas this day. It's just called butterbeer, pero wala talaga siyang beer. As in, masaya, masaya. Ganda, grabe.
Para kay Jax, actually. Wow!